Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this full-size folding keyboard that was sent out to me for review. This one does include a mouse. It has wireless connectivity. You can connect up to 3 devices with this. It's a triple fold. Let's take a look at exactly what comes in the box. All right, guys, so the first thing we're greeted with is this really nice travel case. It has a really nice carbon fiber aesthetic to it. It does have the double keys type of zippers on this. I love that because I have a tendency to break these zippers, so it's really nice that it comes with those. Let's take a look at exactly what comes inside of the case. All right, guys. So in the case, we start off with some of the most basic things. Of course, it has a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging, and we get our starter manual. Let me show you guys that real quick. So here's the starter manual that you're going to need to go through and take a look at some of the features. It does outline all of the details for the mouse as well as the keyboard itself, setting it up, all the different commands, all that kind of cool stuff. Remember, this does have the ability to connect up to 3 devices. It also comes with a convenient little stand that you can use to for like an iPhone or an iPad or something like that. It's very small, it's plasticky, but it for the most part should be able to get the job done. If you're just looking for something to be able to set your phone up on, it has multiple angles that you can place it at, all the way from the top where it's going to be more upright like so, and then you can bring this all the way down to a more reclined angle. It's got a nice little rubber padding right here on the front to keep your phone from getting scratched or moving. And then when you travel with this, it folds flat completely. That's a really nice aesthetic as well. And it has these little rubber feet here to prevent it from sliding around on your desk. That comes in handy. All right, so let's take a quick look at the mouse. All right, so here is our mouse. It has an on and off button. It has another little button here for switching between the different modes. The first mode is going to be utilizing the dongle. The other two will be Bluetooth. To turn it on, you just hit the little switch like so, and it's going to turn the mouse on. You will need to install this dongle in your device. Really nice, feels nice in the hands. You know, your standard kind of Windows mouse clickability. It has a scroll wheel here on the top as well. It is plasticky, but most mouses will be. You have a USB-C here in the front for charging. That comes in handy. All right, so let's take a look at our actual keyboard. All right, so this keyboard, guys, comes with this kind of faux leather surface on the back of it, and it completely unfolds. It's a 3-hinge keyboard, as you guys can see here. So it unfolds right near the edge of each side. It does have number keys here as well, so that's going to be great for any of you that are doing a lot of calculations. It's built in. You have your standard travel on these keys. Everything feels pretty normal to me, you know, for it to be a compact portable keyboard. So I am a big fan of that because I travel a lot, guys, and having something that I can easily just fold up, throw it into a case and hit the road with is a win. So when you combine that with the mouse and this included stand, I think it's a great investment, you know, especially for my on-the-go type of people. And like I said, a very easy device to set up. All right, guys, as you can see, I currently have the keyboard and mouse connected, and I can easily scroll here on this older iMac, no problem whatsoever. When it comes to typing, it's just as effortless. So let's just say I wanted to do a quick search. I could, do a search on cars or boats or, whatever you want to. So as you guys can see, it's a very responsive mouse. It is the keyboard is wirelessly connected on the dongle mode. So if you're looking for a portable foldable keyboard mouse combination, this could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.